Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at this mint pastel goodness. Wow, I feel like I've stepped into space. I've basically got my hands on the new Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions collection. This is what I've come up with. I hope you like it. If you want to know my thoughts on the collection, the products, and how I got this look, then make sure you keep on watching, but also subscribe to this channel, please, please, please. And don't forget to get me on the gram as well. Thanks. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, so as usual, I'm in a rush to go somewhere. So we're gonna try and create an eye look that doesn't take too long to do, but still looks cute, 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 okay? And I feel like that's not always a bad thing, because a lot of the time we can be in a rush, but we still want to look cute, we still want to look glam. So let's try and put the two together. Okay, first things first, Huda Beauty. Look at this PR package. How cute is this backpack? I feel like she always sends such lovely makeup bags and other packages, but yeah, a whole backpack, and it's really, really sturdy, really good quality. I'm not sure, you might be able to buy it on her website actually. We have new brushes, of course. We also have Eyeliner, but we also have the new, I think these are new shades, yeah, new shades of the melted matte and metal shadows. And I absolutely love these because they are so easy to use. If you ever want to do quick makeup, then use that. And then we have the actual palettes. She's bought out 3 mini palettes in pastel shades, which I'm so excited. So we've got rose, mint, and lilac. So this is what the rose one looks like. And how gorgeous are these like multi-dimensional, they remind me of tie-dye eyeshadows. Yeah, how gorgeous is that? And then this is the lilac palette, which is super cute. And then finally we have the mint palette, which I think is possibly one of my favorites. Right, so I think the best way to do a quick makeup is by using the matte and melted eyeshadows. And first off, I'm gonna go into the mint palette, and I'm gonna take this really, really lovely transitional color right here, and I'm just gonna pop this through the crease, just as a little transition color, something for everything to blend into, because this is super easy. This is literally the most perfect transitional color. I don't think any of the other palettes have a shade like this, so I love. Guys, I don't know why I'm always in a rush. I'm always late for everything, and I really can't be today. I really, really can't. I feel like as I've gotten older, I've got a serious case of Indian timing, like seriously. Okay, let's talk in more makeup. Next, I'm gonna go into the matte side, which is called Minted. Oh my God, how can I forget her brushes? Literally, love fresh brushes. Right, I'm just gonna take this all the way across my lid. Ooh. Wow. To be fair, you don't have to be super precise with it because we are gonna blend it out. Cute. And I'm gonna take her Build and Blend brush, and just with the kind of crease side, I'm just going to softly blend out that edge. And I kind of let it set for just a moment, because if it's too wet and you're trying to blend it out, it's going to go everywhere. So it's just a little bit. And then you can use this really, really wet area, and just pat it in. So pretty. I mean, that is literally like a whole lid shade. Eyeshadow done. Near enough. This is why I love using these matte and metal ones, because they just make it so easy for you to do. And I really like the tip because you can get precision and also a lot of product off. I never really do pastel colors or this minty kind of color. I feel like I want to redo this. I want to do, a few looks with the pastel shadows, because it's not something I always do. Guys, honestly, that's how quick and easy it is to do your eyeshadow. Like, that didn't take long whatsoever. And then I'm gonna go into the metal side, which is called De Niro, and it's super pretty. It's obviously a minty green again, and I'm just gonna take this, ooh honey, literally just over the first portion of the lid. This is so pigmented. I kind of want to do a cut crease, but I don't have time. So, but this, I guess, makes it really easy and quick to do. And I've kind of just done it, so whatever, it's done. And I'm just gonna blend out that end and then just pat over the edge of that so it kind of like softens. Voila. I mean, this is giving me minty goodness. Same again on the other eye. Every time I use these matte and metal shadows, I always forget how good they are until I use them. And then I'm like, ah, they're so amazing. Okay, it really is that quick. I think what I want to do though is just go in with this deeper mint color and just make it a bit deeper on that outer corner just to reinforce some depth. Okay guys, I quickly just popped on some eyeliner off camera because sis is in a rush. I don't even know how I just did liner when I'm in a rush. I'm now just really quickly gonna pop on some mascara just to give a little something on the lashes, because this look definitely needs some lash lift going on, some darkness. And I'm using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara, which I actually really like. It's quite pricey, but if you want to splash out, it's a nice mascara. I actually feel like her products are becoming more and more expensive, and I don't know if that's because they're trying to match it up with US prices, but it doesn't make sense to me. Oh, this is so cute with mascara on. Guys, guess what? I was actually rushing for nothing because my nail lady has just told me to come a bit later because she's running late, which I told her to tell me if she's running late. Rushing for nothing. I hope you like the look anyway. I'm actually just popping on some falsies real quick. These are the Velour Faux Mink ones. I think they are called Flawless. And they're quite cute. I actually really like them because they are so lightweight to wear. And I feel like they do look like real mink. They're good faux mink ones. So for anyone that wants that look but doesn't want real mink lashes, then these are a really good alternative. I can finally slow down the way I speak as well. Okay, these are cute. I feel like these lashes just look really doll-like. I like it. And then for the eyes, I don't want to do anything on the bottom. I actually like that it's just minty at the top. So, I mean, I've got a minty pencil here. That would look cute. I don't know, mint in the waterline or white. Let's go for mint in the waterline because it's a bit different. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this Makeup Geek Full Spectrum Liner. And this is in the shade Mint. And I'm just going to run this in my waterline on my lower lash line. Yes, mint moment. You can do nude if you want, but I just think just to tie it all together, mint will look quite cute. Do nude, do white. Obviously something light and bright will just add to that whole pastel feel. I've gone over it a couple of times just so that it's super pigmented and I love it. And then just to kind of like complete the eye look, I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm just going to pop this on my inner corners. Oh, it's so pretty. And then finally, I feel like because I'm doing a bit of Huda Beauty on the eyes, it's only right that I use some Huda Beauty on my lips as well. So I'm going to take Flirt Lip Contour, which is my favorite shade, as you know. And I'm just going to line my lips with this. And then I'm going to take Staycation Power Bullet. Oh my God, such a nice nude. This whole combination is so nice. Even though I was in a rush, I'm actually so glad with how this turned out. See, you can look cute and in a rush. Oh yes, it's possible. I look like I belong to outer space though. No, I'm not gonna lie. But I don't mind. It's different. It's like adding color in a softer way. I mean, I could go fully ham with this look, like add diamantes. I might do that for one of the other palettes. Let me know if you want to see another look with these palettes, more amped up. I mean, this is just simple. I'm joking. It is simple, but it's not. It looks complicated, but you saw how easy it is. Who am I without some gloss, guys? Let's get some gloss on just to finish it off. Even though I do quite like the matte lip right now. I love a matte lip, but clear gloss. I've got the ColourPop So Juicy clear gloss, and honestly, it is one of the juiciest glosses I've ever tried. So let's get this on. Ooh, yes, it's like a wet lip. Guys, is it just me? Or do you know, when you like try a new product and stuff like that, do you also get excited when you put on a new product or a look comes together? Do you get as excited as I do? Obviously, I'm genuinely like a makeup lover, enthusiast. It's what I do day in, day out. It's my job. But do you guys feel the same way when you do it on yourself? It would be so interesting to know. Okay, guys, so this right here is my completed pastel look using the new Huda Beauty eyeshadow and her new matte and metal liquid shadows as well. You guys know I freaking love these. Like, I don't need to keep saying it because these are just honestly amazing. So worth the money. Definitely, if you want to make your makeup game, makeup life easier, get yourself some of these. And then as for the new palettes, I think they are beautiful. I love this new kind of swirly one. They're called Next Generation Shimmer Swirl. And I know I haven't got it on my eyes right now, but let me just show you. It's like a brown and mint, this one. So let me just show you what it looks like. Oh, it ends up just being like a it's like a deeper mint. I mean, I guess I could just pat it over right now. The shadows are still excellent quality, normal, standard Huda Beauty quality. I don't feel like they're any different to any of her other palettes. And I really love these minis. So I actually really like when she brings out mini palettes. They are so much easier to carry around. Just in general, also when you're doing your makeup, just to hold a palette, and you've got the mirror in there as well, which is such an added bonus. And yeah, they're great quality, loads of different textures, and obviously the new one as well. And I love that she's constantly trying to think outside of the box and do stuff that other people aren't. Yeah, I've never seen anything like this before. I don't know if you have, but I personally never have. These are retailed at $29.95, I believe. It says on the card here, it's like got a little euro sign, so I'm not sure if it's the same in pounds. Usually these are around £29, so I'm guessing these are the same. I believe these palettes are limited edition, so you will need to get your hands on them quickly because you know how that Huda Beauty stuff loves to sell out. But yeah, let me know which of the palettes that I showed you in this video is your favorite, which one you'll be purchasing. Do you like this look? Do you even like this mint look? And let me know if you even want me to create more tutorials using these new palettes. I'm sure I'll do something on Instagram, so make sure you get me over on the gram at Anchal. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I will see you all in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.